Hey guys, today we are unboxing Fractal Design CORE 500 Mini-ITX computer case. We are going to build a PC with this one a little bit later, but let's start with unboxing. I hope the owner of the new machine doesn't watch this, because I'm not being very careful with his box. And here it is, well packed. Ow! Oh. Attention! In event of having received a faulty product, how can a box, actually a case, be faulty? I don't know. Do you? Okay. Here's the case. It's a small one. And here's the place for the power supply, and let's see, it comes with easy screws, so you can take off the lid. See? Okay, it has a
magnetic dust filter.
Nice. And one built-in fan. I guess I was wrong saying that this is for the power supply, but anyways. A small bag of thingies. A small bag of different things. Some screws, a lot of them actually. Some pigtails. Okay. And wow. It has a very interesting thing inside. Let me show you real quick and we'll be done. So this is where you connect the power cable on the case itself, not on the power supply, and from there a cable goes to the power supply, which is inside. Nice. And that's about it, guys. Very nice little case. Okay, thank you much for your time. Bye.